I decided to start streaming because I've been playing video games my entire life since I was very little. And I had an Instagram gaming page as a hobby, and eventually it blew up a little bit. And I was considering doing YouTube, and then my followers were like, why don't you just stream on Twitch? And I was like, that seems like less effort. Yeah, I'm down to try that out because I don't have to edit anything. So, and yeah, that's what happened. Here I am 4 years later. One of the most challenging problems I encountered when I first started streaming was trying to figure out how to stream in the first place. Just what equipment I needed, what I had to do to get those things to work, where to plug those things in, how to unplug those things I needed to, just everything. Technical difficulties everywhere. I was always asking for help and trying to figure things out that I could not figure out how to do on my own. NZXT's streaming bundle would have changed my initial streaming experience because I would have had everything I needed right away, all in one bundle together. I wouldn't have struggled trying to find things and comparing stuff. I would have just had the perfect bundle, perfect starting streaming bundle. Yeah, it would have been nice to have a long time ago. You guys are lucky you don't have to go through what I went through when I first started streaming. I stream on NZXT Gaming PC because it's simple. I don't have any technical difficulties anymore. Easy to use, and there's always someone on call if I need help. If I do need help anymore, they're just a call away and they can fix things if something breaks, which hasn't happened yet, but it's nice knowing that there's someone there to help me out if I do need help.